Hello, my name is Dr. Bugaze, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to do the Wheatstone Bridge experiment. The Wheatstone Bridge circuit basically is used to determine unknown resistance, and we can also determine the total resistance of resistors in series and in parallel. The circuit or the Wheatstone Bridge consists of a DC voltage source. We have a resistor box. We have a voltmeter. We have various resistors, both known and unknown. Then we have a resistance slide wire, which has a meter bridge, 1 meter rule attached to it. Then we also have a metal box, which contains resistors or wires of different thicknesses. So basically, we can determine the unknown resistance of a resistor, and then we can also determine the resistance of a wire as a function of its cross-sectional area. To determine the unknown resistance of a resistor, you place the resistor, a known resistor and unknown resistor on the circuit board in series. So from the voltage source, these resistors are placed in series, and then again we connect the slide wire to these resistors, which are also in series but in parallel to the resistors in series, and across the two of them our voltmeter. So when we put on our voltage source, there is a reading of the voltage on the voltmeter, and as we slowly move the slider on the slide wire with the 1 meter rule on it, we get to a point where the voltmeter reading is 0. So we balance the circuit voltage across them. And when we do that, we can then determine the distance to the left of the balance point and the distance to the right of the balance point on the meter rule. And from the Kirchhoff laws, we are able to determine that the ratio of the known resistor to that of the known resistor is equal to the ratio of the resistance of the wire to the left of the balance point to the ratio of the resistance of the wire to the right of the balance point. And from there, we can deduce the unknown resistance. And to determine the resistance of unknown wires as a function of their cross-sectional area, we again incorporate these wires onto the circuit. Thank you.